freelancer, the low startup cost is what convinced me I could actually do this.
Where's
My
that
hobby
skip
started
button?
making me money,
I'm trying to
and
find the skip
Incfile helped
button.
me turn it into an online business.
Incfile formed my business for $0.
What?
Who else is going to offer you that?
$0?
Incfile.com, where your business begins.
No.
Okay, welcome everyone. I am gonna do a speed run walkthrough of Incfile. I apologize. I'm gonna just try to do this as quickly as possible. This is my second attempt actually, so let's see how quickly we can get through this, hopefully with minimal editing and cutting. So Incfile, I'm gonna say I'm starting an LLC and starting here in California, and I'm gonna go with the bare minimum basics package of basically $0 to Incfile and only $75 to state fee, which is absolutely required and it's mandatory. Okay, so this will be you. For me, I am doing a Fat Cat Productions one. So hopefully that punches in. Yes. Okay, so Louis Wong is my name. I'm gonna say LLC, that's fine. Mailing address, that is a it's actually a parking lot I used to park at when I worked downtown, so that's not personal information, but obviously put in your accurate information. Here, this is entirely up to you, but again, this is my speed hack on filing zero for basically free. This is using Incfile to file for free. So everything I'm doing, I'm gonna go with the no cost option. My wonderful company I am pretending to do a LLC for, it's Fat Cat Productions. I like it just LLC. I am a online business, internet web base. It is just me. Again, I'm just gonna do this as quickly as possible, hopefully in this orientation. Online video, I'm kind of a OCD about this. Online videos, management, just me, managed by one manager. I can speed through a lot of this because I actually know I will use my own address. I've actually done my LLC filing already using LegalZoom, but I keep getting these ads for Incfile, and I thought it would be interesting. $99, absolutely you don't need it for EIN, tax number. The other stuff, that's entirely up to you. I think most everyone can find templates online for free if you're willing to dig around for it. I am doing an LLC for myself as an individual. Continuing, save, next. Again, I am doing a speedrun, registered agent. I can do this as my own, and for the sake of this, I will just say I will be doing it myself. Send all legal documentations to me, that is completely alright. I think we are doing pretty good on this speedrun, because there is a hack later on. EIN, I already have done an EIN for it. Absolutely, you don't need anyone to help you on this. Save the $70. Don't let anyone obtain your EIN for you. It is a 10-minute, 15-minute thing on the IRS website. Never, ever, ever have anyone file an EIN for you. Setting up small business banking, blah, 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 blah. No, thank you, not at this time. Again, I'm doing a speed run just to show you how to get a hack on the basically, you see, I'm going with the $0 options on every option. No, I don't need free consultation, not at this time. No, you're going to charge me later. Again, I'm just going to speed hack this. This is an interesting one, because if I say no thanks, I do the work myself instead of having Incfile do it for $99. Let's see. Haha, there is an error. So this is my little hack. Yes, I will pay the $99. Yes, use my company address. You're gonna see the reason I'm doing this. So check all your information. Again, I'm not going through the details. I've already done multiple videos on this. Once you go back to this business license and permits, I'm gonna take a screenshot later for my next video. Again, this video is just a speed run, speed hack of it. I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna change it and say no thanks. I'm gonna see if I can update it. I can update it. Next, And that is the hack. That is the hack, ladies and gentlemen. And we are at the billing information. Fill out your credit card, and that is all you need to pay, $75. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is my walkthrough of filing a LLC or S-Corp or whatever entity you want. If you want the absolute bare minimum cheapest option, LegalZoom, you pay, I forgot how much I had to pay. I think I went with a special printing option, so I paid LegalZoom a little bit for having the benefit of that. There you have it. I can tell you that is, you cannot find another service cheaper than this. $75, it is only for the California filing fee. So even if you were to DIY it, you would still have to pay $75 to the state. This is the state incorporation fee. So essentially, Incfile, we just hacked our way through and got Incfile to basically, and again, I can't confirm this. If anyone wants to try and tell me in the comments below or send an email to me, once again, I'm gonna go back to my contact information, because I really like to know. That is actually my business email and my business phone number. Please let me know. Send me an email, send me a text. I really would love to know if this is the hack that I think it is. Incfile is a big competitor to LegalZoom, and there you have it. For $75, I was able to hack my way through paying basically nothing. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video walkthrough. Again, I just did a very speed run on Incfile. Incfile, you'll see in my next video, has a lot of commercials, a lot of videos. Anyways, I tried it. I went through all the steps. I did the whole walkthrough as you just saw in the 8-minute video, and I think it works. Every research that I've done on this topic, everything that I've seen on this, I think it's worth a try if it means saving a couple of bucks in order to get you started on your small business. I think it's worth it. Please let me know if it works. I love to hear positive feedback, negative feedback. Let me know if you've ever tried Incfile before. Maybe you've already done this and you came across this video. Please let me know, and let me know, hey, yeah, does Incfile, are they able to sustain a business where they basically work for nothing, unless you want the premium services. I mean, personally, I think that's pretty cool. Yes, you have to be very confident and you have to be sure on every step of the way. Make sure that you're choosing the options that's perfect for you. But ultimately, hey, if you could save yourself $100, $200, why not? Okay, signing off, Louis Wong. This is Fat Cat Productions. Thank you, and I'll see you around, and you could check out the other videos that I have going on. All right, thank you.